Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on setting alarms on Xiaomi watches. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Swipe up from the bottom of the watch's home screen to open the quick panel. Then tap on the alarm clock icon. Tap the plus to set a new alarm. Set the time that you want your alarm to go off and tap the tick. Then choose which days you would like your alarm to go off and tap the tick. Your new alarm is now set. You can turn it off by tapping the toggle to the right of it. When the toggle is blue, the alarm is set, and when it is black, the alarm is not set. You can also tap on the alarm to edit it. Tap on the time to edit the time, and tap on the days to edit the days. You can also delete the alarm by tapping the trash icon. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Xiaomi watch tips and tricks.